So I'm back. I am charging this new battery here. Problem is, as I was explaining before, I was not able to get these things off. You're supposed to be able to put them on and take them off, but once they're on, it's really hard to lift this part here. They're not very bendable, and so I was trying with a knife, which is not the best way to do it, but still haven't gotten that done. But anyway, we have this cool thing here called Ghoul RC. Now, wouldn't it be ghoul or cool? Start with the dad jokes. If I could get things to work today. Yeah. I don't see it happening, but we'll try. We'll definitely try. So one thing that I see here with this ghoul thing is that these things here are rather wavy, as in they seem to be flipping around. I'm not sure if that's going to be a good thing or a bad thing, but it'll be pretty easy to connect it up. So obviously red with red, as it said in the instructions, and these better be compatible. I'm going to be pretty upset if they're not. Okay, one went in, and this hopefully will cover it up. I don't know. It doesn't seem to be wanting to connect that. This will go in here. Wow. Not a good start to the day when things don't just connect right away. So it connects up, but then this thing here struggles to get over the other bit of rubber there. So that's not great. And then after that, we'll have to start fiddling around with connecting it up to this receiver here, which I kind of like. Turbo Rix, which is a little bit like the Fly Sky. I think it is actually compatible with Fly Sky technology, but we'll see how that runs in a minute. And okay, so this was here. We'll take that out. It was connected up there, and we will just dump this one into that spot. Let's figure out which way the pins go. I think it's this way. There. So once the battery's charged, we'll just connect everything up, and we'll see if this thing even runs. I hope it does. I have high hopes for it to run. Oh, it's waterproof. Okay, well, that may be the only thing that's waterproof. I don't think the motors are waterproof. But not going to try it. It's a drifter. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.